Okay, so let's do the second one. Obviously, it doesn't have to be quite as long. If I was mathematically inclined, I might measure out the circumference and see just exactly how long I do need to have it. What was it we were saying? Its circumference is the like 8 inches round by pi 3.14.
That's math.
And that's math.
Yeah,
and they
I like
told me
that.
I would never have to use math again.
I like the eyeball theory.
Just
or the
eyeball
eyeball
it.
theorem.
Well, it doesn't
Yeah.
always work, though, unfortunately, as I've learned. Ask me how I know that.
Yeah, make a little extra. How about that?
Yeah, well.
Make it a little bit too big.
Yeah, well. Sometimes you don't have the counter space to make it too big. You've got to really get in there and make it work for you. So sometimes we do overthink these things, I know. I'm the queen of overthinking stuff sometimes. So, okay. And if this is getting kind of where it's not rolling at all, you can put a little bit of shortening on your table, and that kind of helps it to stay put a little bit so you have some working time. So there we go. Again with the twisty thing here. But the least amount of time you can lift this, the better. Okay. Over here. Okay, here we go. So that's same one, same thing. You might want this actually to be a little thinner because you don't have a lot of ledge there. So let's kind of thin this out if we can. Nothing like working as you go, right? Adjusting as you go, I guess is the term. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to lift it up, trying hard not to put too much weight, just digging my fingernail. Okay, there we go. All the way around and round and round. Ooh, we have a lot left over. But that's good because that gives us a chance to really fix it. Okay. So here we go again with our cutting here. So we don't have a ledge to work with like we did on the other one so much. So let's we have to kind of fudge it. So go one side on this one. Just cut right there at the twist. Okay. Yay!
Looking good.
We're getting there. So it's one more. And then we'll get our flowers on there and be done with this bad boy. Okay. Always need your fondant just to get it workable. We're obviously not going to need that much, so let's start a little less here. See all those snakes we used to use making clay? They said we'd never use them.
Mm-hmm.
What are you wasting your time making snakes for? All those coiled ashtrays we used to bring home to our parents that never smoked.
That's right.
But they had ashtrays. It's getting a little thin there, so I don't like that. Let's do that again.
It's nice that you can just do it again.
It's forgiving. You can, if you don't like the way it looks, crumple it up and just start over. You're talking 5 minutes of your time to make it look the way you want it to look. And the way your bride wants it to look. Or your daughter who's getting married or somebody, whatever. Okay.